Lisa Crawford from Imperious. Hey Maria, can I confide in you? You know that Johnny's back and he wants to get back with me, even after what happened. You know, he claims he's clean and he really wants to turn his life around. He's even willing to join the church. And I know him and Jessie get on well together, and I think it's good that Jessie has a male figure in his life. And I know that the Christian thing to do is to give him a second chance and forgive him. I do love him, but I'm worried. I'm afraid. I'm afraid if I go down that path again, the same thing's going to happen. He hurt me. He broke my heart. And I don't want to go back down that road again, you know. So I'm confused. On one hand, I want to help him and be with him and give him a chance. On the other hand, I know that I might end up back where I was. I mean, he destroyed me. You know, I've turned my life around. Got my life back in order again. I just don't know what to do.